Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Setting up a proxy in Java can be essential when you need to route your application's network requests through a proxy server. This is useful for various purposes such as privacy, security, or accessing restricted resources. Below is a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up a proxy in Java, including an example. Hashtag setting up a proxy in Java. Hashtag 1. Understanding proxy types. Java supports several types of proxies. http proxy * used for HTTP requests. SOX proxy * supports both TCP and UDP protocols. Transparent proxy * doesn't modify requests or responses. Hashtag 2. Using system properties. You can set up a proxy for your entire Java application using system properties. This is done by setting the following properties. http.proxyhost, the host name of the proxy server. http.proxyport, the port number of the proxy server. https.proxyhost, the host name for HTTPS requests, if different. https.proxyport, the port number for HTTPS requests, if different. Hashtag 3. Example code. Here is an example of how to set a proxy in Java using these system properties. Hashtag explanation of the code. 1. Set proxy properties *. Replace your .proxy.host and your proxy port with the actual proxy server host and port you want to use. 2. Create a URL object *. The URL you want to connect to is specified. 3. Open a connection *. The HTTP URL connection object is created by calling openConnection on the URL object. 4. Get response *. The response code is retrieved to check if the request was successful, HTTP status codes. 5. Read the response *. The response data is read using a buffered reader, and the content is printed out. Hashtag important notes. Ensure that the proxy server you are using is accessible and properly configured. If you need to authenticate to the proxy, you may need to add additional headers for basic authentication. For SOX proxies, you would use java.net.proxy class instead of system properties. Hashtag conclusion. This tutorial demonstrated how to set up a proxy in a Java application using system properties. You can adapt this example to suit your application's needs by changing the URL or the proxy settings. Always ensure that you have the necessary permissions and configurations for the proxy server you are using.